Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's sloka, powerful mantra to chant as soon as you wake up. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. This sloka emphasizes the belief that our hands have the power to bring fortune, knowledge and strength into our lives. By reciting it in the morning and looking at our hands, we acknowledge our ability to shape our destiny with hard work, wisdom and devotion. Om Karagre Vasate Lakshmi.
Karagre Vasate Lakshmi.
Karamadhye Saraswati.
Karamadhye Saraswati.
Karamule Sthita Gauri.
Karamule Sthita Gauri.
Prabhate Karadarshanam.
Prabhate Karadarshanam.
Om Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye Saraswati. Karamule Sthita Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Meaning of the sloka. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. At the fingertips resides Goddess Lakshmi, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Karamadhye Saraswati. At the center of the palm dwells Goddess Saraswati, symbolizing knowledge and wisdom. Karamule Sthita Gauri. At the base of the palm is Goddess Gauri, Parvati Devi, symbolizing strength and power. Prabhate Karadarshanam. In the morning, one should look at their hands as a reminder of the divine blessings and the power within to create, learn and grow. Namaste.